To make pizza.
Hi guys, so this is how to make pizza. So first things put this in
This is
first.
how to make the dough for the pizza. Now we're ready to put the ingredients. Pizza,
So first,
pepperoni, cheese. We have tomato paste and pepperoni. Now we put the tomato paste. Now the cheese. Now next, the pepperoni. This is our finished product. Now we will put it in the oven 180 degrees Celsius. Now we will put in the oven and keep it 15 minutes. See you after 15 minutes. Now this is our finished product. Pizza pepperoni. Now, this is the final result. We will cut now. And we will
Cut it,
and we will
eat it.
okay. Bye.
Yum yum.